Hey guys, I had to finish up a little driveway job I started, I don't know, back before Christmas, before we get all this rain. Finally dry enough for me to get in here and get it all smoothed out and put in place. I'll try to find the video. I know I took a video when I started this. I'll try to dig that up so you can see what the before looked like, but here's what the other side looks like. Yeah, just Flexbase drive. There was a tremendous amount of topsoil on this one. It was all lumpy. Put sleeves in. There's four 4-inch PVC sleeves going through here, so he's got plenty of access for irrigation lines and drainage, and whatever he wants to run electrical across the road, whatever he can do. This is just temporary. We're going to come back and cover this over with crushed granite with a nice stone border going around it. It's a new construction home. We got to get a driveway in so he can get his certificate of occupancy. Nice 3-car garage, everything. So we got a lot of, you see there's standing water right here. We've got a lot of grading to do out in this yard yet. Get everything cleaned up. There's a bunch of stumps out there we're gonna have to take out. There's you see this up here by the house. Zoom in on that guy. That's a pretty big one we're gonna have to dig out of there. There's a couple more up there right in front of the entry of the house. We'll get all that out, I don't know, next week or two after everything dries out. This yard, the lot's really flat, so it just holds water everywhere. But you know what? The driveway's in. Good enough to get the certificate of occupancy, and we'll get on it after that. Yep, so that's going to put a wrap on this job. Today is, what is today? Today is January 2nd. So Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a fantastic holiday, Christmas and all that. Got some time, spent some time off, time with the family, all that good stuff. It's the new year, it's 2025. Time to get busy. See you guys.